Okay, so the project at hand today is the driver's side rear window in the Silverado. I went to a training class last year, and the battery, I didn't realize the battery was 7 years old, and it died on me in the parking lot. And then some questionable, detestable decided to break in and try and steal the truck. So I accidentally locked the keys. It was a rough day. I accidentally locked the keys inside, and the battery didn't have enough power to make the door locks pop when I pushed the fob button. So had to pry the window open, and there are two hinges here and here, and they kind of popped out of the frame. I have everything cleaned up. I don't do auto glass. I do commercial and residential glass for a living, and we're at that stage where we are going to put everything back together. So this sealant that GM uses cures very quickly, and it cures almost like hard rubber. The sealant I'm going to use is Dow Corning 795, and it's commercial construction sealant, and it's in my bulk gun right there. Here are the little hinge pieces that I'm talking about here. They popped out and they wouldn't go back in all the way. This is the bottom of the window. This hinge right here really didn't come back in the slot, and it prevented the weather strip where my fingers are from making contact with the body of the truck. So I'm ready to put everything back together. The little hinge pieces of plastic are back in place correctly. Yeah, here's my vacuum cup. So I'm going to bust Hollywood right now. The glass is curved. This is a 9-inch diameter vacuum cup. It's not a suction cup. No such thing as suction unless, you know, something else is taking place. So it will, the vacuum cup will contour to the glass. But if you've ever seen those movies of guys climbing up the side of a building with these things, not happening. You don't have enough strength, and you don't have enough time to sit there and actuate the plunger while you're 50 stories up, and I'll show you what I mean. So I got to push down pretty hard so that the cup will conform to the curvature of the glass. And now I can hold the window in place and reinstall the screws. One will go here, one will go here, and another one will go here. But first, I have to put the sealant, squirt the sealant onto the frame. So, be right back. Okay, so I have the nozzle cleaned out, and we're going to run some of this stuff. They had a pretty generous bead surrounding the window. It was pretty tough to cut out, but I was careful. I took my time and got everything clean. I may be using a little too much. I don't know. But what I do know is that if it squishes out everywhere, and I'll just clean it up later. The main thing is I need that weather strip to seal. I just went and got the truck washed, and water came pouring in from the top. So, missed it. Guy's taking his Nova to the racetrack. We missed it. Okay, be right back. Okay, here we go. I have to go get the window. Up here, so this is going to be a little difficult here. Yep, there goes the screw. Damn. I got my forearm. So that's that there. There's one. Two. Three. Whew. We can breathe easy now. This stuff cuts a lot more easily than the sealant that the GM plant used. I had to quickly stop the video because some guy's driving down the street. In pretty darn noisy Dodge. So it's sealed. Now this is what it takes to get this cup off of here. So you can't be screwing around on, like I said, the 50th floor of a building. I'm damn strong, but to pump this thing up with your thumb, you'd wear your muscle out so fast on your thumb you wouldn't know what to do. Alright, just got to put the door panel back on, and that's one task finished. Yeah. That's it. Two more 7mm screws. Then the cover plate for the door handle. and we're finished. Okay, I'm gonna let that cure. And then maybe tomorrow, yeah, I can feel right up here, the weather strip is back in the spot where it needs to be. So that'll hold water out. We got a weep hole there, a weep hole there, and I'm happy. I wish I'd have done this a little while ago, but it really didn't bother me until I got the truck washed today and saw a waterfall come through here from this point inside here. Just so, all right, thanks for watching my video. Later.